Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you all about Ethereum cryptocurrency. So watch this video till the end. You may have heard that Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Although Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, it is much more than a virtual coin. It's also a blockchain platform, and the cryptocurrency used to conduct transactions on the platform is actually called Ether, though it's often referred to as Ethereum, too. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open-source platform that uses blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital applications, or dApps, that enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly with each other to buy, sell and trade goods and services without a middleman. For instance, users can bypass banks to transfer money, skip using a lawyer to draw up a sales contract and launch their own fundraising site for project crowdsale rather than going through a crowdfunding internet site, among other uses. Ethereum operates via a global network of computers that work together as a supercomputer. The network assembles and runs smart contracts, applications, independent from any third-party interference or censorship, as the blockchain is resistant to tampering. Smart contracts run exactly as programmed, greatly reducing the risk of fraud, and are self-executing, like an automat or vending machine that carries out the contract terms digitally. Once certain conditions are proven to have been met, such as the transfer of a payment, then the merchandise is conveyed or made accessible to the buyer. The difference between Ethereum and the Internet is that all of these agreements and all the data pertaining to your transaction are stored in individual blockchain ledgers, not in some central warehouse like Google Get Report Cloud or Facebook Get Report servers, so it isn't as likely to be compromised by a data breach. The user is in control of her own data. Why was Ethereum founded? Ethereum was founded by 19-year-old Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin, whose intent was to take the technology that powered Bitcoin's digital currency and use it to democratize everything from organizations, business, currencies, putting the decision-making and power to create anything and economic control into the hands of individuals and taking it away from the world's central banks, corporations and power brokers. He released a white paper in 2013 delineating his ideas for Ethereum, and was awarded the prestigious Thiel Fellowship for his work, along with a $100,000 prize. His ideas attracted other developers such as co-founder Dr. Gavin Wood and Joseph Lubin, who joined him in launching a crowdfunding campaign in July 2014. Ethereum raised $18 million in a crowd sale that was the most successful of its time. Its first platform, Frontier, was launched in July 2015. How does Ethereum work? Like all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum works on the basis of a blockchain network. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed public ledger where all transactions are verified and recorded. It's distributed in the sense that everyone participating in the Ethereum network holds an identical copy of this ledger, letting them see all past transactions. It's decentralized in that the network isn't operated or managed by any centralized entity. Instead, it's managed by all of the distributed ledger holders. Blockchain transactions use cryptography to keep the network secure and verify transactions. People use computers to mine, or solve complex mathematical equations that confirm each transaction on the network and add new blocks to the blockchain that is at the heart of the system. Participants are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens. For the Ethereum system, these tokens are called Ether, ETH. Ether can be used to buy and sell goods and services, like Bitcoin. It's also seen rapid gains in price over recent years, making it a de facto speculative investment. But what's unique about Ethereum is that users can build applications that run on the blockchain like software runs on a computer. These applications can store and transfer personal data or handle complex financial transactions. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin in that the network can perform computations as part of the mining process. This basic computational capability turns a store of value and medium of exchange into a decentralized global computing engine and openly verifiable data store. Benefits of Ethereum? Number 1. Large, existing network. The benefits of Ethereum are a tried and true network that has been tested through years of operation and billions of value trading hands. It has a large and committed global community and the largest ecosystem in blockchain and cryptocurrency. Number 2. Wide range of functions. Besides being used as a digital currency, Ethereum can also be used to process other types of financial transactions, execute smart contracts and store data for third-party applications. Number 3. Constant innovation. A large community of Ethereum developers is constantly looking for new ways to improve the network and develop new applications. Because of Ethereum's popularity, it tends to be the preferred blockchain network for new and exciting decentralized applications. Number 4. Avoids intermediaries. Ethereum's decentralized network promises to let users leave behind third-party intermediaries, like lawyers who write and interpret contracts, banks that are intermediaries in financial transactions or third-party web hosting services. Ethereum Disadvantages. Number 1. Rising transaction costs. Ethereum's growing popularity has led to higher transaction costs. Ethereum transaction fees, also known as gas, hit a record $23 per transaction in February 2021, which is great if you're earning money as a miner but less so if you're trying to use the network. This is because unlike Bitcoin, where the network itself rewards transaction verifiers, Ethereum requires those participating in the transaction to cover the fee. Number 2. Potential for crypto inflation. While Ethereum has an annual limit of releasing 18 million Ether per year, there's no lifetime limit on the potential number of coins. This could mean that as an investment, Ethereum might function more like dollars and may not appreciate as much as Bitcoin, which has a strict lifetime limit on the number of coins. Number 3. Steep learning curve for developers. Ethereum can be difficult for developers to pick up as they migrate from centralized processing to decentralized networks. Number 3. Unknown future. Ethereum continues to evolve and improve, and the ongoing development of Ethereum 2.0 holds out the promise of new functions and greater efficiency. This major update to the network, however, is creating uncertainty for apps and deals currently in use. Many new validators will be required for Ethereum 2.0 to function. Should you invest in Ether? You might consider investing in the Ethereum network for a few reasons. First, it has value and use as a virtual currency. Second, the Ethereum blockchain could become more attractive when it migrates to the new protocol. And third, as more people utilize Ethereum distributed apps, demand for ETH may increase. Before making any significant investment in Ether or other cryptocurrencies, consider speaking with a financial advisor first about the potential risks. Given the high risk and volatility in this market, make sure it's money you can afford to lose, even if you believe in Ethereum's potential. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.